A very good morning to my dear students. Today we are going to begin with the next part of the lesson, that is the second type of construction of triangle. In the previous video we have seen how to construct the triangle when its three sides are given, isn't it? So now we are going to study how to construct a triangle when two sides and the angle included by them is given. Okay, so our second type of construction is to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. Means these two sides, whatever angle is included inside them, that angle will be given. Means total three elements are given, we are able to construct the triangle. So based on this we are going to solve practice set 3. So in practice set 3 total there are 4 sums. Yes. So from these 4 sums I will solve 2. I will explain 2 and the remaining 2 you are going to solve on your own. But in your CW you will do the construction of all 4. Okay. Now just see in on the screen in this book. Practice set 3. Draw triangles with the measures given below. In triangle MAT, length MA is equals to 5.2. Means MA is 5.2. Measure angle A is equals to 80 degree. Means A is equals to 80 degree. Length AT is equals to 6 centimeter. Means 80 is equals to 6 centimeter. Now if you will see, then length MA is here, suppose, and 80 is other one. Yes or no? Angle between both of them is given, that is 80 degree. Means two sides of triangle are given and that two sides are making an angle of 80 degree. Did you understand? Now 80 degree is less than 90, means it will be an acute angle. So first we will construct the rough figure. Okay, first we will draw rough figure. Now we are having two measurements of sides, 6 centimeter and 5.2. Longest one I will take as a base. Okay, I am taking the longest one as a base and I have drawn one side. Are you able to see? Suppose this is 6 centimeter. Then I will write here 6 centimeter. What is that? 80. So I will write AT. Now after drawing one side, I will construct the angle. It is 80 degree at A. Yes. So here we will have 80 degree at A. This, if I hold the scale straight, it will be 90 degree, isn't it? Now I will tilt little bit the scale. Then suppose this is 80 degree. In this way, I will write here 80 degree. Now MA is 5.2, means here somewhere, no? Yes or no? We said that this is the angle included by these two sides. One is here, other will be here. Somewhat, suppose this is 5.2. Then here I will write M, 5.2 centimeter. Okay. Now I will join this MT because we have constructed three elements. That is these two sides and one angle. So did you get an idea how our rough main figure will be through rough figure? Yes. Now let us start the construction of fair one. Okay. So see here, first I will draw a side of length 6 centimeter in this way. So here 0 and here is 6. Yeah, I have marked it. Now I will join this. So I will write here 6 cm AT. Now I will take my protractor and keep on point A. Okay. So I will keep here. In this way. Yes. Now 0 I will see this side 0 because my line is here. If I will see, then 80 is here. Is it? So I will mark here. Now I will remove my protractor and I will join this. In this way, little bit up I have taken. Okay. Now I will write here 80 degree. Now I want MA 5.2. Yes. So So here I have taken my compass. I will adjust 0 here and I will check whether it is 5.2. So yes, it is 5.2. Yeah. So now I will keep on A and I will draw an arc here. So wherever my arc is intersecting, that is my 5.2. It is intersecting here. So that is my 5.2 centimeter. And I'll name here M. Okay. So this M A is 5.2. Now with the help of the scale, I am going to join MT in this way. So I have joined. Now I have got a triangle MAT. So here are the two sides and this is angle 80 degree included by both the sides. Let us now do the construction of question number 3. In triangle FUN, length FU means this part is equals to 5 centimeter. Length UN is equals to 4.6 means this one. Yes, and angle included by both of them is angle U. You can see U is common in both of them. So angle included by both of them is U and they have given us measure angle U is equals to 110 degree. So see, suppose if this is our angle, suppose we are taking two sides. Yeah, then FU and UN is this one, FU and UN. This is 4, this is 5. Angle included in them is 110 degree. Okay, and then we are going to join. So we will get a triangle in this way. Okay, but now what I am going to do, see, first I will show you how to construct an rough figure. Okay, students. So see, I will write here rough figure. Bigger side I am taking down 5 and 4.6. In this 5 is greater. That means FU I will take as my base. So with the help of the scale I will just draw one line in this way. FU 5 centimeter. After drawing one side we will draw one angle, that is U is equals to 110. So U is here. 110 is greater than 90 degree means it will be an obtuse angle. Yes or no? So somewhat like this will be our 110. Yes, from U. So here it will be 110. Now one side of angle is over. Other side we have to find. What is that? 4.6 they have given. So here somewhere we will have 4.6 centimeter. That is UN. Okay, UN will be 4.6. So I will join this N to N to F. Then I will get my triangle FUN. Did you understand how the rough figure will be? So we have got an idea. Now we will construct our main figure. So first I will draw and side of 5 centimeter in this way. See here. Suppose I will keep my scale like this. 0 is here and 5 is here. Okay, so this is my 5 centimeter line and now I will write here 5 cm. After that I will take my protractor and keep on F or U. Correct, I will keep on U because angle U is 110. So I will keep my protractor on U. Yes, now this side is my line, so I will see outside 0 and search for 110. So 110 is here, I will mark it. After marking, I will remove my protractor and with the help of the scale, I will join these 2 points in this way. And I will take my scale aside. Now I will take compass and scale and in that I want measurement 4.6, isn't it? So I will take compass and scale. See, I will keep on 0 and I will adjust 4.6. So here is 4.6 taken. Now I will keep on U because it is U and 4.6, no? So U and now whatever I am marking that will be my N. So I have marked here, this is N, and distance will be 4.6 cm. Over. So our three elements are constructed. Now we will just join N point to F point F. Okay, so point F and point N I am joining with the help of my scale. And I didn't show here 110, I forgot. So now I am showing it 110 degree. Okay, so in this way we will have our triangle FUN. So I hope you have understood the two construction. So you are going to do this two and the remaining two constructions neatly in your CW. Okay. Now I will just give you an idea how the rough figure of the third and fourth question will be, and from that you can construct your main figures. Okay, so same triangle NST. So triangle NST, no, NTS. In triangle NTS, suppose the middle one, if we take angle T, did they give us what they have given? Measure angle T is equals to 40 degree. Yes or no, students? Now NT length is equals to length TS, and both are 5 centimeter. Yes, so NT and TS, suppose this is NT and this is TS, then both are how much? 5 centimeter, and angle between them is 40 degree. Okay, so any side you want you can take as a base. So rough figure how it will be, see, I will take, suppose this is the line, I will name it TS, it will be 5. TS I have constructed. Now from T I will draw 40 degree. 40 degree means acute angle in this way. 40 degree. Yes. Now NT is also 5. Yes. So you will keep in compass 5 measurement. In compass you will take 5 centimeter. You will keep on T and you will mark here. Suppose you are getting here. Then this will be 5 centimeter N. And then you will just join. Okay, so this is the rough figure of triangle NTS. Now let us see the fourth question. Just see here, in triangle PRS, RS is equals to 5.5, RP is equals to 4.2. So length RS is equals to 5.5 centimeter and length RP is equals to 4.2 centimeter. Measure angle R is equals to 90 degree. R and R is common. Yes. So greater side you will take down. See the rough figure how it will be of the fourth one. RS if you are taking as a base, then this will be RS 5.5 centimeter. Now from R you will draw 90 degree. That means a straight line, isn't it? So this will be 90 degree. Now from here RP you will draw 4.2. So in compass you will take 4.2 measurement. Compass you will keep here and somewhere here it will be 4.2 cm. That is RP. Over. Now you will join this way. Then your triangle is ready. That is triangle PRS. Okay, so these were the rough figures of the other two. So now you will solve in neat and clean way all the 4 constructions in your CW. Okay.